To explore London by bus, there are a few options, and this video will help you determine which one, if any, is best for you. From guided bus tours to hop-on hop-off, and even a do-it-yourself option on a city bus, London is a great place to explore by road. And bus tours make a great complement to our name-your-own-price walking tours of London. You'll see the best of London in a short amount of time on a bus tour, from Parliament and Big Ben to Trafalgar Square and Tower Bridge. Hop-on hop bus tours are the most popular in the city. You'll hop on the large double-decker open-top buses to drive around the city on a set route with multiple stops. You get to choose what attractions you want to hop off at and visit whenever you wish, knowing that you can hop back on once you're finished at the current location. These bus companies also offer night bus tours to explore the city with the illuminated buildings and monuments. If your feet are tired and you want a faster option, or maybe a themed bus tour, such as a Harry Potter bus tour, Beatles and rock and roll, or day trips from London to Stonehenge or Oxford. These are great to help you get an overview of the city before exploring on your own, or with a walking tour. Make sure you look into the combination ticket options, as many of the bus tour tickets can be bundled with a river cruise on the Thames for a different perspective at a discount. You can also take advantage of discounted entrance into sites like the London Eye. In a way, these combo ticket options offered by the bus companies are similar to the London Tourist Pass option. We talk more about those on our discount pass video here, or check out the link in the description below. To make the most of your trip to London, be sure to look into our popular walking tours. To find out more, check the link below, or visit us at freetoursbyfoot.com. Subscribe to our channel here for all the great travel advice from our experts. Follow us on social media at Free Tours by Foot, or sign up to join our Free Tours by Foot travel community.